Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we got these knives from KATISUN, and there's a set basically in here, 15 knives or 14, and scissors, pair of scissors, and I would say we're just gonna open this up here really quick. Okay, I'm having a little bit of a hard time to be honest, but we will get there. It's there, like, okay, there we go. Pull that out, and then we are actually there, and we can take that out and have a look. So what we're having here is basically yeah, a big block of knives, and they should probably be all separate in here, and we have to have a look. Casino, yeah, they're all in here. And let's take out the block. Where is that at? There we go. Holy crap. Okay, it's more on the heavy side than I thought it would be. But we will get there. Now we can take that out and have a look. Oh gosh, why is it all so complicated? God, we just want to have a look at it. There we go. Pull that out. And then we're good to go. So yep, that's the block on really heavy side, not gonna lie. And it has anti-rubbery feet, which is good. So it's not gonna fly around or anything. Now, let's have a look at all the knives. I try to just get them out fast and easy without wasting too much time. We'll see how that goes. So here's a pair of scissors, and that goes in here, yeah. And okay, I'm trying to decide. Okay, why is it not going in there? Oh, there's like some material in there. We have to get rid of that. So let's get that out of the way. Hopefully, I'm gonna scoop it right through here. Oh, oh my god, it's not fitting. Come on. Okay, there we go. Right? Did it work? Did it work? Oh, come on. Oh, there's a battery in here as well. Makes it even more complicated. Hello. Oh well. We'll get that. Okay, now that's definitely in reach though. Let's pull that out. There we go. Now we can actually stick it in there and have a look at all the other knives as well. So let's rush things up. Here's the first one. Sharp teeth at this one. Nice branding too. Cutting wise, it works on thick paper, I guess. Okay, I'm not too sure where that goes, so we're just gonna put that down there, and then we figure that out. Then we got another one. Okay, so these are probably the small ones for the block. There's probably like 5 then of them, or 6 maybe. We'll see. So we unpack them, unbox them. Gonna have a look at them. Oh, this one is a different one. More of a roundish style. Okay, another one with the teeth. They go down here. Maybe, okay, probably this way around, right? Yeah, okay. I'm not too sure though. I will just throw them in here. then we will see what else we have. This one should probably go up here somewhere, but I don't know where yet, so we're just gonna throw that in there. There's another one for the bottom. That should be the last one for the bottom, right? Yeah, there we go. We throw that in. All of these are all set, and now let's see what else we have. Can we get one of these? Roundish end teeth. That's gonna work. That's not going in there for some reason. Maybe here. Well, seems like it. What else we have? Okay, that looks like a fish knife-ish. Maybe here. We will figure that out when we're done. I don't know. Could go over here as well. So maybe that goes over there. I don't know. Why is that making it so complicated? Oh well, whatever. What else do we have? I have a big knife. Probably for cutting meat and vegetable. That must go in here. I would think so. Right? Maybe or to the side. I don't know. Let's see what else we have. Bread knife. Always good to have. Cutting those bread. That probably goes. No, that's going over here probably. That will make sense. And this one probably next to this one. And then there's two missing. What I have here. Just a short, roundish thin knife. That's not going in there. Maybe here then. But that would be odd. Yeah, it's okay. Whatever. And then the last knife. It's a thick one as well. Okay, so definitely one has to go to the bottom because that one's not gonna fit there. But yeah, all in all, pretty decent block. Not much to complain about. All different kind of knives you might need in the kitchen. Sharpness wise, they're fine. Let's move all this over. And then let's figure out what goes to the bottom. Probably this one. Maybe I have to like swap that over. But yeah, there we go. All of them are in here now. But I would assume they have to change spots. Yep, that goes in more easily. Okay. Well, yep, that's basically it. And I would say we'll see each other in the next video. That's what it looks from the side. All in there, nice and smooth. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Nice grip, definitely. And that's it for today.